Hey, thanks for stopping by Keto Crave. If you're looking for a different take on chicken soup, then I have the perfect recipe for you. On today's menu, we have a chicken poblano soup, and it's low carb, keto, and diabetic friendly. This dish is super delicious. It has this extra rich and earthy flavor brought by the poblano peppers that we're adding in today. And I'll show you how to go ahead and prepare them just right so you get the perfect flavor added to this dish. This is going to make a great addition to your menu. For more low carb recipes, simply subscribe to our channel here at Keto Crave and visit us at ketocrave.net. Today we'll be using a pressure cooker to make our chicken poblano soup. Now feel free to go ahead and use the same recipe if you want to use a slow cooker or if you just want to cook it in a pot over the stove. The recipe is going to be the same. Just add whatever extra time to go ahead and cook your chicken and you're all set. Please enjoy.